The universe is saying to you, today the universe wants you to understand that everything occurring around you is meant to be a blessing, even when things may seem tough or negative. The universe is working behind the scenes to turn them into something positive and favorable for you. The universe is telling you that the wish is granted. Your connection with the universe is a sacred bond, a channel through which your deepest desires radiate across the cosmic expanse. Today, the universe comes bearing the most exquisite of gifts, a confirmation that your wishes have been heard and are on the cusp of being realized. The universe, in its boundless wisdom, perceives the intentions of your heart and the fervent prayers you have whispered into the starlight nights. It acknowledges the dreams you have held close, the aspirations that have ignited the fire within you, and the unspoken VS that reside in the chambers of your soul. With grace and compassion, the universe responds to your call, whispering softly but resolutely, your wish has been granted. In the intricate tapestry of existence, life is woven from countless threads, each representing a facet of our being. Your angelic companion, the universe, stands as a guardian and guide, ensuring that every thread of your existence is nurtured and allowed to flourish. The message it conveys today is profound. It heralds an era of abundance and prosperity in every corner of your life. The universe recognizes the longing in your heart, the yearning for a love that transcends boundaries and enriches your spirit. It assures you that your love life is destined to bloom, akin to a resplendent garden in the fullness of spring. The love you seek, whether it is the embrace of a soulmate or the deepening of existing bonds, is nearing fulfillment. Love, like a radiant sun, will illuminate your path, bringing warmth, tenderness, and companionship. Your aspirations, talents, and ambitions are akin to the untamed potential of a vast landscape. The universe, with its cosmic brushstrokes, paints a picture of success and achievement in the realm of your career. Your professional endeavors will flourish, and your talents will find their rightful place in the grand tapestry of life. Opportunities will unfold like pets, revealing a path paved with fulfillment and prosperity. The essence of well-being is a precious gift, one that the universe is keen on bestowing upon you. Your health, both physical and emotional, is destined for a period of flourishing vitality. Your body and spirit will align in a harmonious dance, rooting you with energy and vitality. The universe's embrace of well-being will guide you toward a life marked by robust health and vitality. The specter of financial burdens and concerns that may have loomed over you shall dissipate like morning mist. The universe assures you that your financial problems are being addressed with the utmost care. A symphony of abundance and financial stability will resound through your life, liberating you from the shackles of worry and uncertainty. Your journey will be graced by prosperity and security as the universe unfolds its celestial intentions for you. It is essential to recognize the profound nature of this cosmic interaction. The universe, in its boundless generosity, serves as a guiding light, inviting you to step into the radiant tapestry of your desires. It beckons you to embrace the blessings that flow forth, for they are the universe's gifts of love, abundance, and fulfillment. In this cosmic embrace, you are reminded that the universe is not merely a passive observer, but an active participant in your journey. Its guidance extends beyond the granting of wishes. It encompasses the nurturing of your soul, the fostering of your dreams, and the awakening of your potential. As you stand on the threshold of this profound revelation, the universe's message resonates with hope, fulfillment, and anticipation. Your wishes, nurtured by the universe's benevolent gaze, are not mere fantasies. They are the seeds of your destiny, ready to burst forth into vibrant life. In gratitude for the blessings that are cascading into your life, and is anticipation of the flourishing future that awaits you, may you step forward with confidence and joy. The universe, your cosmic companion, stands ready to walk alongside you as you navigate the beautiful symphony of life. Your heart filled with love, your spirit glow with abundance, and your dream fulfilled. Type Amen to claim universe blessings. God is saying to you today, God is giving you a very important message about you. God's message is filled with hope and abundance. It's about making our wishes come true and filling the empty spaces in our lives. All those wishes we hold in our hearts, God is aware of them. Whether it's a dream job, better health, or finding true love, God is on the job. God is telling you that important alert. Let go immediately of this one thing from your home. God, in its infinite wisdom, occasionally sounds an alert, an urgent call to action that demands our attention. Today, God Himself has issued such an alert, a divine directive that requires our immediate response. It is a call for cleansing, a plea to rid our lives of one particular thing, a thing that has silently eroded our peace, nurtured negativity, and hindered our growth. Rather, it is the presence of individuals who lack trustworthiness and those whose the seeds of negativity in the fertile soil of our existence. God, in His infinite compassion, implores us to remove these individuals from our inner sanctum. They are the unwelcome guests in the mansion of our hearts, the disruptors of our peace and the harbingers of despair. They may take many forms: friends, acquaintances, or even family members, but their impact on our lives remains consistent. They chip away at our happiness, leaving us burdened by the weight of their negativity. Negativity is a relentless force capable of enfilading even the strongest fortresses of the human spirit. When we allow untrustworthy individuals and negativity to take root in our lives, we inadvertently create a breeding ground for turmoil, discontent, and disillusionment. The consequences are far-reaching, affecting not only our emotional well-being, but also our physical health, relationships, and overall quality of life. God's directive is clear. It is time to let go. This act of letting go is not an act of cruelty, but an act of self-preservation, a declaration of own worthiness to lead lives of peace, joy, and fulfillment. As we heed God's call to release the untrustworthy, we create a sacred void, a space within our lives that is cleansed of negativity and filled with potential for divine blessing.